In this video, we are going to see how you can stop wasting your time just by using a simple tool to send Telegram message from Google Sheets automatically. Let's say you're getting some new leads which you are adding in Google Sheet and you want to send the same lead details to your team members on your Telegram group. So in this video, we are going to see how you can automate the process of sending data from Google Sheets to Telegram. So in this automation, whenever a new lead will be added, whenever a new row of data will be added in Google Sheets, automatically the same details will be sent to a Telegram group or Telegram channel as a message. Want to learn more? For that, just come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google spreadsheet. Let's say in this sheet, I'm adding the details of my new leads. Now I want that whenever the details of a new lead is added, I want to send those same details of a new lead as a message on my Telegram group to my team members. Now to do this, we have to connect this Google spreadsheet with Telegram. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect between Google Sheets and Telegram. So let's start doing that. Click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let's say I'll name it as Google Sheets to Telegram. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this workflow and click on Create. After clicking on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Google spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new row of data is added, whenever the details of a new lead is added, automatically the same newly added data will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send those same details as a message to our team members on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, here in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gives us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our Google spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. Now you must be thinking how we are going to do it. So for that, we just have to follow the help text given below over here. We just have to follow these instructions. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to your Google spreadsheet. After coming to the sheet, just go to Extensions, Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. Now after clicking on Get Add-ons, we will reach to Google Workspace Marketplace. And here in Search app, we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now here you can see Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on is installed in my Google Sheet, already installed in my Google Sheets. You just have to install this same add-on into your own Google Sheets account, and after installing it, just refresh your Google Sheets once. This is a very important step. After refreshing your Google spreadsheet, once again we'll go to Extensions, and this time you can see Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on can be seen over here. Just hover on it, and then here you can see this initial setup. Just click on it. After clicking on initial setup, this box will appear in front of us. And here in this box, we have to basically enter some details. It is asking us selected sheet, that from which sheet we want to send new data to Pabbly Connect. So right now in my Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why by default it has selected sheet 1. Then it is asking us for the webhook URL. So here in webhook URL, as you can guess, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. At last, it is asking us for the trigger column. Now you must be thinking, what is this trigger column? So trigger column is basically the last data entry column of our Google Sheet. Now let's say in the background, for example, you can see the column E is going to be my trigger column because it is the last column in which any of my data exists. After column E, in any of the column, none of my data does not exist. So column E is the last column. That's why we are going to select column E as our trigger column over here. And after selecting our trigger column, just click on this Send Test button. Now when we click on send test, here you can see it is showing us test data sent successfully. This means the data of the very first row after the headers, the data of row number 2 is sent to Pabbly Connect. So let's check it. What we are going to do, we will go to a Pabbly Connect workflow, and here in this trigger step you can see we have received the response. So using this webhook URL, the data from our Google spreadsheet is received inside Pabbly Connect, and in this response you can see the same details as well. Here you can see the same first name, same last name, same email, same city, and the same mobile number. The same details of the lead, the same data which we have entered in Google Sheet is received inside Pabbly Connect. Now after doing this, just click on this submit button, and after clicking on submit, it is showing us setup configured successfully. Then after that, go to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you can see this option of send on event. You just have to select it. By selecting send on event, we are telling this Google Sheet, we are telling this add-on that whenever data in a new row is added, whenever a new lead details are added in our Google Sheet, automatically send that data of the new row to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully completed the step 1 of setting up this automation. So whenever the new lead will be entered in Google Sheet, the same data will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now in the next step, what we want to do, we want to send these same details as a message on our Telegram group or Telegram channel with our team members. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in choose app, we are going to search for Telegram bot. Just select it. After selecting Telegram bot, in action event from this drop down, we are going to select the action event as send a text message or reply. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here what we have to do, first we have to create a bot in our Telegram account, and we have to connect that bot with Pabbly Connect using that bot token. And we have to add that particular bot in the Telegram group or Telegram channel as an admin in which we want to send the messages. So let's start by creating a bot. Now to create a bot, here in our Telegram account, we have to search for bot father. Search for this bot father with the official tick. Then after that, just click on start. And after start, just click /new bot. Then after sending /new bot, it is asking us to give this bot a name. Let's say I want to name this bot as GSPC123. This is the name of this bot, Google Sheet Pabbly Connect GSPC123. After naming it, it is asking us for a unique username of this bot. Let's say I want to give this username as GSPC123 _bot. So we have to ensure that the username ends with the word bot over here, _bot. Now let's send it. So here you can see just now a new bot is created in my Telegram account. So using bot father, within few seconds, we have created the bot. And this is the API token of the bot. We have to copy this API token from here, and after copying it, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on save. Now as we click on save, we will see just now we have created a bot in our Telegram account, and using the API token, we have connected that bot with Pabbly Connect. And using this bot, we are going to send the messages on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. Now, after connecting this bot, before sending messages, first we have to add this bot in the Telegram group or Telegram channel, and we have to make this bot the admin of that group or channel. So let me create a new Telegram group over here. I will just click on this edit button and click on this new group. Let me add the member. So the first member which I'm going to enter is this bot itself. So let me enter this bot's name over here, GSPC123 _bot. So we have entered the username of this bot, and here you can see this is the exact same bot, GSPC bot. Then after that, we'll just move ahead, and here you can see this is just a random name of the bot which I have given. You can basically give any good name of your choice. And let's move to next. As we go to next, here you can see just now I have created a new group in my Telegram account, and I have added the same bot which we have created in this Telegram group as well. Now after creating this bot, what we have to do, using our Telegram mobile application or Telegram desktop application, we have to promote this bot as the admin of this group. So I'll just use my Telegram mobile application to promote this bot as the admin of this group. And then I have done this. So using my Telegram mobile application, this bot is now admin of this group. After promoting it to the admin of the group or Telegram channel, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect, it is asking us chat ID. That what is the chat ID of the Telegram group or channel to which we want to send the messages. So to get the chat ID, here just open the Telegram group or the channel, and here in the URL section, you can see this chat ID. This will be your chat ID. So from the URL section, just copy the chat ID from here and then paste it over here. Now, if you have created a Telegram group, you can see a chat ID in numbers. If you have a Telegram channel, your chat ID might be like some username with an @. So you just have to enter the chat ID of the group or the channel on which you want to send the message. After chat ID, it is asking us text message, that what is the actual message we want to send. I want my message to be, "Hello team. Hello team, we have received a new lead. Name, email, mobile number and city." So this is the message which I want to send. And in this message, I want to enter the details of the new lead which we have entered in Google spreadsheet. Now here you must be thinking how we are going to enter the details from the Google Sheet. So we have received the new row data, newly added or new lead data from Google Sheets inside Pabbly Connect in the triggers tab. And here from this trigger responses, one by one, we are going to map this detail. We are going to use a process of mapping, and we are going to map these details to this Telegram bot action step in the message field. And the process of mapping is very simple. Let's say in this text message field, in front of name, I want to mention the name of the person, name of the lead which we have entered in Google Sheet. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click here, and here in this dropdown, you will see we have received a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Sheet. So we have this complete list of all the responses. From this responses, select the response of post name and it will be mapped. Then after that, I'll just add a space, and then after that, I'll just select and map the response of last name as well. In this way, whatever first name and last name we are going to enter in Google Sheet, the same details, the same response will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and we are going to send the same details as a message to our Telegram group or Telegram channel using this bot. Now after that, in this message, I want to send the email address as well. So I'll just click here in front of email, and after that, from this drop down, select the response of email and it will be mapped. Similarly, you can map all the other details as well, like I'll map the mobile number and also the city over here. In this way, whatever details we are receiving from Google Sheets inside Pabbly Connect in the triggers tab, in this text message field, you can one by one map all of these details over here. After mapping all the details and creating the message of your choice, you can create any message. It is asking us message thread ID and reply to ID. So because we are not sending any kind of thread message, that's why you can ignore these two fields for now. Then after that, it is asking us disable notification, that do you want to send notifications for the message which we are sending or not. So I'm selecting no over here. Then it is asking us disable web page preview, allow sending without reply, protect content. So all of these fields are not mandatory. Either you can ignore this field or select the option according to your choice. Then it is asking us parse mode, and in the drop down we have two options, HTML and Markdown. So I want to use the parse mode as HTML over here. And then after that, here if you want, you can send some kind of custom buttons with the message as well. Just enter the button label over here and button URL over here. So right now, I don't want to send some kind of custom buttons over here. I don't want to add any buttons in the message. So we can just ignore these two fields as well. And after entering all the details and mapping all the data over here, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here, this message is now sent on the same Telegram group or Telegram channel whose ID we have added. And this message is sent by the Telegram bot which we have connected with Pabbly Connect, the bot which we have created just now. So let's check it. We will go to our Telegram account, and yes, here you can see the exact same message with the same details from the Google Sheets which we have created over here. The same message is sent on our Telegram group, and this message is sent by the same bot which we have added as an admin on our Telegram group over here. This means the automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And now your Google Sheet is a machine to send messages on your Telegram. Whenever you are going to add any data in this Google Sheet, automatically the same details will be sent as a message to your team members on Telegram group. So let's check it. I'll just add a new data after setting up this automation in the Google Sheet. This is a dummy mobile number and the city is, for example, Delhi. So just now we have added a new row of data in Google Sheet, and we will see within seconds the same data will be sent as a message on Telegram group. And yes, here you can see we have the exact same details as a message over here. So this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, This automation is working perfectly fine. And now using the secret tool, this particular automation, you can just send messages to your Telegram group or Telegram channel directly from the Google Sheets. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.